Subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notifications on new videos. Okay, in this short video we'll see how to schedule emails using Gmail. This is a new feature that has been introduced this year, so let's check it out. This is a very useful feature, especially when you don't want to send an email on Sunday but you have only Sunday to compose the email. It would be weird to send an email on a Sunday, so instead you can schedule it for Monday morning. So let's quickly check. You go to Gmail and click on compose, then you can type in the address. Testing Gmail schedule email. Let's copy this text. So to schedule this email, you can click at this small drop down here and there's a schedule send. Click on it and you can select predefined date and time, or you can choose your own date and time. So I'm just going to choose today, and right now it's 10:08, so let me just change this to 10:10. So we'll just wait for about 1 minute in valid time. Let's see, 11. Why is it saying invalid time? Cancel. Schedule send. You get date and time. I suppose it has some minimum requirements. Let's see, 15. Yep. So once you have scheduled an email, there's a new label provided here, schedule. You can click on it and you can see emails which are scheduled. So this is scheduled for 10:15 a.m. Right now it's 10:09, so I'll come back just a minute before 10:15. Okay, so it's about to be 10:15, so just in case if we have scheduled an email but we want to cancel sending, so we can select the message and we can cancel send, or we can even snooze it. And let's see if we can adjust the timing. Cancel send. There is no way to adjust the timing here, I suppose. So anyway, it's about to be 10:15, so let's see. 2 minutes to go. Okay, so we're back and just a few seconds to 10:15, so let's just wait and see. I'm clicking on the refresh just to see if the mail has gone, but we're still seeing the message on the screen. Right, it's 10:15 and it's gone. So that's how to schedule an email in Gmail. It is a very useful feature which is available in almost all major email clients such as Microsoft Outlook or Thunderbird with additional plugin, and this is a very useful addition to Gmail in my opinion. But I have not yet received the email. Yes, I have received it. So that's it, guys. If you want to send an email, if you want to schedule an email in Gmail, that is how to do it. Let's quickly recap. Go to compose, enter the address, subject, your body, and just click on schedule email. Please specify at least one recipient. Okay. And you can schedule an email. You can choose a predefined date and time, or you can pick your own. So that's it guys, thank you.